Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we're continuing on with sample exam paper 1 and we're now in project 2. As always, you can get your files from the Office Master 19 YouTube channel. So we need to open up the file brands.xlsx spreadsheet. So I now have brands.xlsx open. So now what we need to do is we need to go to file, we need to inspect the spreadsheet for issues. So go to file, go to info, click on the drop down arrow under inspect workbook, click inspect document, and then we need to click inspect. Okay, so now that's come up with some issues there, so that's fine. I just click on close, I just click on back. Okay, the next question then is that we need to delete cells A2 to A5, keeping the existing layout. So what we need to do is we need to go to home, we need to go to delete cells, and I'm going to shift left. Okay, so that's now shifted the cells left. Okay, so now we need to continue the autofill series down here. We need to autofill this series. Okay, so I need to go down to from B9 down to B12. So I just click on the arrow in the corner, hold down my left mouse button, and I need to drag down. Okay, so that now continues the series. Okay, my next question then is on D1. I need to make that accent 2. So I click into D1, I go to cell styles, and I go to accent 2. Okay, and then the final thing then is I need to clear the formatting from A12. So I click into A12, I click on clear, and I click on clear formats. Okay, that's brilliant. That's sample exam 1 project 2, and we'll see you shortly on sample exam 1 project 3, and as always, thanks for watching.